So I guess a Q&A is the best way to start this year. So this is my first Q&A video in this channel. Watch till the end cause I'm going to show my little workspace. Yeah, finally. I added an Instagram story saying ask me anything. So I got many questions. Some are interesting and some are... Anyway, the first question. Do you have a girlfriend?
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
can you suggest a channel for Photoshop beginners? Yeah, for beginners, Nemanja Sekulik and Piximperfect are the best ones. Bro, तुम्ही किसे inspire होके इस profession में आए हो? Here's a big announcement. I'm not Indian and I don't know Hindi. Please don't hear me in Hindi. I only know कुछ कुछ होता है. कुछ कुछ होता है. Show us your first ever artwork. This is my first attempt in Photoshop and here are some others. Oh, I came a long way. What influenced you to start designing? So back in the days I was in school media group. At that time I make simple logos, t-shirt designs and stuff. After finishing school, it's 2020 lockdown. I was bored watching movies and wasting my time. Then I started watching Penny Productions videos. Seriously, Penny plays a big role in my career. So yeah, Penny Productions influenced me to start designing. What are your favorite movies and TV shows? Tough question. For movies, Maze Runner, Coco, The Batman, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, Harry Potter, and for TV series, Stranger Things, Moon Knight, Umbrella Academy, Wednesday, The Boys, blah blah blah. What is your mother language? Mother tongue? I am Tamil. Do you know After Effects? To be honest, I have zero knowledge in After Effects, and you may wonder how I made this crazy intro. I made it using Premiere Pro. How much money did you make in 2022? I don't know the exact amount, but I made a lot of money as a teenager. I'm proud and happy about it. Do you like cats? No. I love cats on internet, but not in real life. Best way to earn money from Photoshop. Number 1, you can sell prints. Number 2, make content, make YouTube videos, Reels, TikToks. From that you can get a big reach. From that reach you can find many clients. What is your biggest dream to achieve? I want to make Darkder a big brand, like a very famous brand. That's my dream. I'm working on it and one day I'll make it. Which mic do you have for recording? I'm using my iPhone recorder. After recording, I reduce the noise using Premiere Pro. Then it will sound like a $100 mic. Which PC you used when you are a beginner? I had a Commodore PC with 2GB RAM and a 256 VGA. It's slow but it did a good job. Respect. Mia Khalifa or Sunny Leon? You know what? I'm a good boy.
Okay.
What are the things you like to do other than Photoshop? I like to edit videos like this one. Are you virgin?
Yes! Yes!
Why do you like green so much? It's not a regular green, it's this bright green. I don't know, I love that so much. You made your setup from your parents' money or from your money? I made it myself. What are your superpowers? I can sleep 15 hours straight. How do you get so good at what you do? First of all, I love what I'm doing and I spend a lot of time to improve my skills. Full bio on who you are. I'm Lakshan, I'm 19 and I'm from Sri Lanka. How much time do you spend on a single artwork? 30 minutes for the concept, 1 day for finding images, 3 hours for designing and 1 more hour for retouch everything and export. When is your next Photoshop contest? It's on February. Be ready, it's gonna be a colorful one this time. Face reveal. Hi. I just love your designs. I just want to be like you. Nice, thank you, but try to find your own style. Do it like you.
Don't do it like me. Do it like you.
Do a setup tour. Let's get in. Starting with the table, I have a Z-shaped custom-made table. Then I have a lamp and a glass water bottle, a rubber mat and a leather desk mat, AirPods, a lightning port and my lamp charger. Over here a natural Darsina plant. Then my fish bowl is my pet. Here I have an Among Us figure. I'm a big Among Us fan. This is my Razer Sanesa V2 keyboard. And this is a Razer Basilisk V3 mouse, a 24-inch monitor,
Stop it. Get some help.
I'll save it for later. I have a Kosa 100 casing and here's my phone. Using my phone we can control the backlights. Let's keep it green. And this is my chair. And next I'll show my cable management. Wow, isn't that beautiful? So yeah, that's my little green workspace.